This is an angle problem regarding parallel lines. Remember that a line intersecting parallel lines creates equal corresponding angles. Okay, by that we mean angle A in line L corresponds or equals angle A in line M. Now since angle A is 120, the second angle A will also equal 120. And since A plus B has to equal 180, that's 120 plus B equals 180. B equals 60. Okay, we've got a lot of angles looking at us here, but sort through them and keep in mind two rules. One, a line intersecting parallel lines creates equal corresponding angles. By that we mean angle A would equal angle C. And intersecting lines create vertical angles, and opposite vertical angles are equal. Therefore D would equal F. Now, if we sort through the different angles to find out which ones are going to equal 180, the best thing for us to do is look at which angles are equal. We've already said that A equals C. Well, we can also say that's not necessarily equal to 180. We can also see that D is equal to F, but again, they're not going to be equal to 180. So actually, we can eliminate A and C right now. We can also see that G and B are equal. And moving from there, since G and E are vertical angles, we can say that B and E are equal. Okay, B and E are equal, so that's going to rule out B, because that doesn't necessarily show that they equal 180. We need a straight line somewhere. And if we look at G and C, since G is equal to B, B plus C would equal 180. So G plus C would equal 180. We have our answer. Okay, we've got a lot of angles here, but we know that L and M are parallel. That tells us that they create equal corresponding angles. By that we mean A is going to equal C, G will equal B. We also know that intersecting lines create vertical angles, and opposite vertical angles are equal. Therefore, we know that D equals F. Now we want to know which three angles are equal. Well, frankly, we have a little bit of a shortcut here. We know that D and F are equal, but they don't necessarily equal anything else. So we can eliminate answer choices that have D or F in them, which means we can get rid of A, we can get rid of B, we can get rid of E. That leaves us with C and D. Well, can we say that A, B, and C are equal? No, we can say that A and C are equal, but we can't prove that A and C are equal to B. So let's look at what we have here. How about B, E, and G? Yeah, that works because G and B are equal, and since G and E are vertical angles, those two are equal. Thus, B, E, and G are equal angles.